Step back in time with us to a land steeped in history and mystery, a crossroads of civilizations and faiths. Welcome to Israel. The very name of this place evokes images of ancient cities, sacred scriptures, and timeless tales. From the dawn of civilization, Israel has been the stage upon which the human story unfolds. Nestled at the intersection of Asia, Africa, and Europe, Israel has always been a strategic location and cultural melting pot. Its history spans thousands of years, and it holds a deep significance for three of the world's major religions: Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. Our story begins over 3,000 years ago, when Israel was the land of the Canaanites, later becoming the biblical kingdom of Israel and Judah. This is the birthplace of Judaism and the Hebrew Bible, where prophets walked, kings ruled, and a young shepherd named David would rise to greatness. Fast forward a few centuries, and we find ourselves in the time of Jesus, a Jewish preacher whose teachings would give birth to Christianity. His life and crucifixion in Jerusalem have forever marked this city as a holy place for Christians all around the world. Then, in the 7th century, the rise of Islam saw Israel become a part of the Islamic Empire. The Al-Aqsa Mosque, built on the Temple Mount in Jerusalem, is considered the third holiest site in Islam. Israel's history is not just a tale of faiths and empires, though. It's also a story of conflict and perseverance, of exile and return. The modern state of Israel, established in the mid-20th century, is a testament to the resilience of a people who have faced adversity time and time again, yet continue to thrive. With this historical backdrop, we're ready to embark on a breathtaking aerial journey across Israel. First stop, Tel Aviv, a metropolis that hums with energy day and night. This pulsating city is a stark contrast to the ancient landscapes often associated with Israel, yet it remains a vibrant testament to the country's relentless spirit and innovative drive. Tel Aviv is a city that truly never sleeps. Its nightlife buzzes with an electric energy, as locals and tourists alike flood the streets, seeking out the myriad of clubs, restaurants, and bars that light up the city after sundown. The music, laughter, and clinking of glasses echo through the night, a symphony of life and celebration that is quintessentially Tel Aviv. Yet the city is more than just a party hub. Tel Aviv is also a global tech powerhouse, home to hundreds of startups and tech companies. This Silicon Wadi, or valley, is a hotbed of innovation, where brilliant minds gather to shape the future of technology. From fintech to cybersecurity, the city is at the forefront of digital transformation, a testament to Israel's pioneering spirit. Amidst the modern skyscrapers and bustling tech scene, Tel Aviv proudly displays its historical charm. The UNESCO-recognized White City, with its collection of over 4,000 Bauhaus-style buildings, stands as a beacon of architectural brilliance. These white, streamlined structures, built during the 1930s and 1940s, reflect the city's blend of history and modernity. They tell a story of a city that values its past while embracing the future with open arms. Tel Aviv's beaches, lined with sunbathers and surfers, offer a tranquil respite from the city's fast-paced rhythm. The Mediterranean Sea, with its azure waters, beckons to those seeking a moment of peace amidst the city's vivacious spirit. A testament to Israel's tenacity and innovation, Tel Aviv exemplifies the spirit of the new Israel. It's a city that dances to the beat of its own drum, unapologetically modern, yet deeply rooted in its rich history. From its vibrant nightlife to its booming tech scene, from its historical landmarks to its serene beaches, Tel Aviv captures the essence of a nation that is constantly evolving, yet remains ever true to its past. Next, we find ourselves in Jerusalem, a city that glows with spiritual and historical significance. This shimmering city of gold is more than just a place. It's a living, breathing testament to the march of human history and the spiritual journeys of countless souls. Nestled in the heart of the Middle East, Jerusalem is a city that's been revered, fought over, and beloved by millions. It's a mosaic of cultures, a crossroads of three major religions: Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. Each has deep-rooted connections here. Each sees Jerusalem as hallowed ground. For the Jews, this was the site of the first and second temples, the holiest places in Judaism. Even now, the Western Wall, or Kotel, the last remnant of the Second Temple, stands as a symbol of Jewish perseverance and faith. For Christians, Jerusalem is the city of Christ's crucifixion and resurrection. The Church of the Holy Sepulchre, an ancient cavernous building, is believed to house both the site of Jesus' crucifixion and his empty tomb. And for Muslims, the gleaming Dome of the Rock, with its golden dome and intricate mosaics, marks the spot where Prophet Muhammad is believed to have ascended to heaven. Jerusalem was also the capital of King David's kingdom, a great ruler who left an indelible mark on the city. His vision and leadership are still celebrated today, shaping the city's cultural and historical identity. But Jerusalem isn't just about what was, it's about what is. Today, it's a city that thrives amidst its ancient stones. The old and the new coexist, creating a vibrant, diverse cityscape that echoes with the whispers of the past while embracing the promise of the future. Jerusalem is a journey. It's a journey through time, through faith, through history. It's the heart of a nation, the soul of countless believers, and a beacon of resilience. Jerusalem, a city that has witnessed millennia of history, continues to be a beacon of faith and resilience. The city of gold shines on, timeless, enduring, and always welcoming to those who wish to walk its storied streets and share in its remarkable tale. Leaving the hustle and bustle, we soar over the serene Sea of Galilee and the city of Tiberias. This tranquil oasis is steeped in history, a confluence of faith, culture, and natural beauty. The Sea of Galilee, also known as Lake Tiberias, is more than just a beautiful body of water. This freshwater jewel has been a stage to some of the most poignant narratives in Christian history. It's here that Jesus Christ is said to have walked on water, calmed a storm, and performed the miracle of the multiplication of loaves and fishes, feeding thousands with just a few. These tales of divinity and compassion have echoed through the ages, transforming this serene lake into a pilgrimage site for believers from around the globe. But the harmony of the Sea of Galilee extends beyond the shores. Nestled on the western bank is the city of Tiberias, a place where antiquity meets the modern world. Tiberias holds a special place in Jewish history as one of Judaism's 4 holy cities alongside Jerusalem, Hebron, and Safed. It has been a center of Jewish learning for centuries, housing the Sanhedrin, the highest court of Jewish law, during the Roman period. The city is also the final resting place of many prominent Jewish figures, including the venerated scholar Maimonides. From its Roman-era hot springs to its ancient synagogues, Tiberias is a living testament to the enduring spirit of Jewish heritage. It's a place where the whispers of the past mingle with the rhythm of today, offering a unique blend of tranquility and history to its visitors. As we glide over the shimmering Sea of Galilee and the city of Tiberias, we're not just traversing geographical terrains, we're embarking on a journey through time, exploring narratives of faith, resilience, and wisdom that have shaped the course of human history. The Sea of Galilee and Tiberias, a tranquil corner of Israel that whispers tales of miracles and wisdom. From bustling cities to tranquil waters, from modern marvels to ancient wonders, we've traversed a land that's as diverse as it is compact. Let's retrace our steps and reflect on the remarkable journey we've embarked upon. Our adventure began in Tel Aviv, the city that never sleeps. With its thriving nightlife, bustling markets, and modern skyscrapers, Tel Aviv represents the innovative spirit of Israel. It stands as a testament to the nation's ability to blend tradition with modernity, creating a vibrant metropolis teeming with life and energy. Next, we journeyed to Jerusalem, the city of gold. This ancient city is a living museum, its stone walls whispering tales of centuries past. Jerusalem is the heart of Israel, pulsating with a rich history and an undeniable spiritual aura. It's a city where the past and present coexist, where every corner holds a story, and every stone echoes with the prayers of countless generations. Our journey then took us to the tranquil waters of the Sea of Galilee and the historic city of Tiberias. Nestled on the western shore of the lake, Tiberias is a city that beautifully encapsulates the serene spirit of the Galilee region. It's a place where you can step back in time, immerse yourself in history, and let the peaceful atmosphere wash over you. Throughout our journey, we've seen how each city, each landmark, contributes to the rich tapestry of Israel. We've witnessed the cultural diversity, the historical depth, and the religious significance of this unique land. We've seen how Israel is not just a country, but a confluence of stories, experiences, and memories. As our journey concludes, remember that the stories and landscapes of Israel are as multifaceted as the perspectives that view them. Until next time, keep exploring.